The fridge freezer has dual hinged doors, allowing them to be opened from either side. It is not recommended to open both sides at the same time. The control panel for the fridge is on the front. Using the far right top button, you can select through the power options. The battery icon is for 12 volts power whilst traveling only. The voltage ultimately comes from your vehicle's battery and alternator at this point. The fridge only acts as a cooler box. The next option is gas, followed by mains electric. When on mains electric, the temperature can be adjusted using the far right bottom button, going from minimum to maximum. The auto function lets the fridge decide what type of power to run off. For example, if it can't detect mains power, then it will automatically run off gas. This also means that if it's running off mains electric and there is a power failure, the fridge will automatically turn itself over to gas.